Let's check out the 9 best WordPress recipe plugins. Number 1, WP Recipe Maker. This plugin uses JSON LD metadata, which will improve your SEO. It works with Gutenberg and the classic editor. You could add photos and videos to any step of the recipe. The print page is interactive and includes spaces for ads. The Pro version, which starts at $49, adds adjustable servings, ratings, ingredient links, nutritional labels, and more. Number 2, Recipe Card Blocks. This plugin works with Gutenberg to create recipe cards. You can integrate video into your recipes, as well as add ingredients and instructions in bulk. It includes multiple designs, supports AMP, and it's GDPR compliant. The Pro version, which starts at $69 per year, adds galleries, adjustable servings, ingredients quantity, a gallery, and more. Number 3, Cooked. Features include galleries, cooking timers, nutritional facts, printable recipes, a drag and drop recipe builder, SEO, and so on. It also has powerful search and sorting features. The Pro version, which starts at $39, adds ratings, favorites, recipe submissions, user profiles, social sharing, additional taxonomies, and more. Number 4, Recipe Maker for your food blog. You can create templates with a what you see is what you get editor. Recipes include nutritional information, cook and prep time, notes, etc. It's SEO optimized with JSON LD metadata. The Pro version, which starts at $39, adds author settings, recipe card themes, visitor ratings, social media, recipe grid, automatic nutrition, serving adjustments, and search by ingredients. Number 5, Create. This free plugin works for any type of instructions, including recipes, lists, roundups, and how-to guides. It automatically calculates nutritional data, and you can embed videos into your recipes. It has multiple themes to choose from, and it's ad ready. This plugin was designed to be fast and lightweight. Number 6, Delicious Recipes. This free plugin includes image and video galleries, nutritional charts, rich text instructions, printable recipes, advanced search, star ratings, adjustable servings, author profiles, social sharing, and a lot more. It adds 9 Gutenberg blocks, 6 widgets, and color and layout settings. It's SEO optimized with Google structured data and supports schema. Number 7, Blossom Recipe Maker. This free plugin lets you add recipes to pages and posts with a shortcode. You can add photos to any step, a gallery, YouTube and Vimeo videos, and group instructions with headings. Visitors can print recipes without images, and it's translation ready. Number 8, Tasty Recipes. This plugin includes everything in one package, like nutritional information, embedded videos, and flexible formatting, so you can create your recipes according to your writing style. Visitors can scale the recipes automatically to any size they want. It includes 5 pre-made themes and uses JSON LD for the best SEO. It costs $79. And finally, number 9, Cookbook. Recipes are printable and include nutritional data and ratings. Visitors can jump to the recipe at the bottom of the page with an embedded shortcode. It was designed for the classic editor and is the sister plugin to WP Recipe Maker, which was designed for Gutenberg. It uses JSON LD and it's translation ready. It costs $60 per year. And there you go. Those are the 9 best WordPress recipe plugins. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next one.